Hey everyone, this is a friendly reminder that you should be enabling original sound in your lessons. Otherwise, your keyboard or your piano sort of die away if you don't do that. So I'm going to show you how to do it with an iPad. It's a two-step process. The first thing you're going to do is open your Zoom app. Oops, sorry, I'm trying to film this and touch it too. It's hard. Okay, so you're going to touch this Zoom app, and this will open. Down in your lower left, you should see Settings. Then touch Meetings. Then scroll down till you see this. It says Use Original Sound. This must be turned on. If it's not turned on, it looks like that. So you want it to be turned on or toggled on, and that is step one. Next thing you do is to join the meeting. You know how you get your link each week. So I'm just going to go here and join a meeting. So this is just how to join. So here you are in the meeting. I'm just muting myself here. Here you're going to go up to the upper right where it says More. Click on More and then touch Enable Original Sound. And that's all there is to it, just those two steps. Reach out if you have any questions. Thanks.